Hello students, today we are going to learn the phonic sound of A. A-D, L-A-D, lad, D-A-D, dad, D-A-D, dad, B-A-D, bad, S-A-D, sad, F-A-D, fad, M-A-D, mad, P-A-D, bad. So, dad, bad, sad, fad, mad, bad. Then A-N, F-A-N, fan, V-A-N, van, M-A-N, man, V-A-N, van, P-A-N, pan, F-A-N, fan, C-A-N, can, T-A-N, tan. So, man, van, pan, fan, can, tan. Then AP, CAP, cap, TAP, tap, MAP, map, TAP, tap, NAP, nap, LAP, lap, RAP, wrap, GAP, gap. So, map, tap, nap, lap, wrap, gap. Then AT, at, RCAT, cat, RAT, 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 HAT, hat, BAT, bat, MAT, mat, FAT, fat, PAT,